Hey guys, I feel so flexible. Wow! 3:45 na guys, magdali! Asa mang wagya di sa SM, eh. Kita-kits. Boom! Nasa here, don't care as usual, and just right in time to our yoga session. And we're here at Handero Pizza at White Gold. And I just found out that there's Handero here in White Gold. I used to know in JY at Gordo. Yeah. Hey guys, natong fitness buddy si Glenn. Bro! Let's see what's inside. Hello guys. May yoga daw me, and it's my first time. And yeah, let's see how it goes.
Using play and art therapy to connect with our inner wise voice, discover our strengths.
What is the most powerful force in the earth? Let me check.
Energy.
Gravity. Obviously, genius. And that is the most abused force in the body. All the tensions that we have, lahat ng kinuwento niyong sakit dahil sa defiance of gravity. From the shoulders, tensing up, when you tense your shoulders, put it inside, that restricts your respiratory system, your breathing, that creates tension in the stomach, which is, sino si acidity? Creates acidity, digestive system. Pag nagkaroon ng acidity yan, sigurado yan, UTI, umibig tapos. Yun ang susunod talaga.
Thank you, sir.
I like you.
I like you. There are 4 batches and 2 categories na ay 6 to 11 and 12 to 17 para sa mga bata.
Isod pa po ni 17. 17. Hey guys, I feel so flexible. Gigutom lang. Gutom. See.
I'd like to